In the heart of a bustling metropolis, where dreams brushed against reality, lived a young man named Alex, an unwitting empath who could delve into the depths of people's minds. His gift, more a curse in his eyes, thrust him into a world of tangled emotions he struggled to unravel. One fateful afternoon, beneath the misty veil of rain, Alex found himself drawn to an antiquated bookstore. Pushing open the creaky door, he was greeted by the scent of old paper and leather-bound secrets. A single book, its title etched in faded gold, Whispers of the Mind, called out to him. With trembling hands, he opened the tome that would unlock the enigma of his existence. Penned by the enigmatic Dr. Eleanor, the book held the elusive key to comprehending the intricate dance of the human psyche. Its pages held sketches of expressions, tales of shared sorrows, and cryptic maps guiding readers to the heart's most hidden chambers. Dr. Eleanor's words whispered that reading minds was not about prying into thoughts, but about journeying into the emotions that shaped them. Eager to decipher his own ability, Alex immersed himself in practicing the book's teachings. He roamed the nearby park like a shadow, keenly observing the ebb and flow of emotions etched on strangers' faces. He soon learned that to read minds was to cultivate empathy, to listen without words, to immerse himself in the symphony of unspoken sentiments. One radiant day, while perched on a park bench, Alex's gaze fell upon Sophia, her features a delicate canvas of contemplation. Her eyes, pools of muted longing, were fixed on a photograph clutched in her hand. Alex closed his eyes, his heart reaching out to her like an invisible thread. Through the tapestry of shared emotions, he sensed the echo of heartache, a love untethered by time. Summoning his courage, Alex approached Sophia, his voice a soft breeze laden with compassion. "Excuse me, are you all right?" Sophia's startled gaze met his, and for a moment their eyes locked in an unspoken understanding. "I'm fine," she managed, her voice wavering. Alex offered a kind smile, his presence a refuge. Sometimes sharing a burden can lighten the load. Tears glistened in Sophia's eyes as she allowed herself to be vulnerable. With a sigh, she unraveled a story of love left behind, a chapter left incomplete. Alex listened, not with just his ears, but with his heart, her words a crescendo of aching melodies, her pain reverberating within him. As weeks stretched into months, Alex delved deeper into the labyrinth of the human experience. Laughter, sorrow, hope. Each emotion unveiled itself before him, like colors in a painting. With each connection, he discovered the vast mosaic of sentiments that bound humanity together. One evening, while wandering the city's illuminated streets, Alex spotted a familiar face, Dr. Eleanor, the guardian of his transformation. Approaching her, gratitude and wonder swirled in his eyes. "Dr. Eleanor," Alex began, "your book has transformed me. I've learned to read minds, but more importantly, I've learned to decipher the symphony of hearts." Dr. Eleanor's smile held ancient wisdom, her eyes twin galaxies of understanding. "Young man, you've unlocked a gift that is both privilege and responsibility. Channel your ability to bridge the gaps between souls, to mend broken fragments, and to foster empathy." As the years flowed like a river, Alex became an anchor amidst the city's tempestuous currents. Strangers found solace in his presence, friends sought counsel in his empathy, and love blossomed where understanding bloomed. His journey was no longer about unlocking minds, but about connecting hearts. In the tapestry of his life, Alex discovered that his gift was a reflection of his very essence, a beacon of light in the labyrinth of human emotion. In each shared heartbeat, he glimpsed the mosaic of existence, where pain and joy, love and sorrow, wove together to create a masterpiece that resonated with the core of his being. For it wasn't merely the ability to read minds, it was the journey of discovering the shared tapestry of emotion that made his life a symphony of connections, a testament to the sublime power of the human heart.